Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony. Behind me is a Case 450 bulldozer. It's about 1970, I believe. If you've watched the previous video where we took this bulldozer, resurrected it where it was been sitting out in the woods for 15 years, I want to get it cleaned up, so let's take it over to the house and we'll pressure wash it. Battery jump pack is dead. Alright, hopefully this battery's a little better. That battery's out of the second gen. This one I bought for this bulldozer here. This guy is the positive. We don't have great connections here. This is where it died. Apparently the hydraulic leak is the transmission oil cooler line or something, because it ran out of fluid enough to where it's not going to go anymore. So I'm going to top it off with some Hydran, just enough to get this thing to move where we need to work on it and get it cleaned up. Oh, that funnel is slow. Let's change that. Now we got this thing close enough to the house where I can wash it. We can go through this box I just got from SuperClean. So they sent over some all-purpose wheel cleaner. Won't need that today. We'll probably address that in a future video. We got degreaser, and this thing is greasy, so we're gonna put this stuff to the test. Then we got aerosol can spray and degreaser. And they were even kind enough to send me a t-shirt. Isn't that something? But let's put this stuff to the test, see how well it works. Let this soak in real good. if you guys saw before, but boy, oh boy, even the big crusty grease, SuperClean got this thing super clean. I'm going to say that I'm actually pretty impressed. I've used other degreasers in the past, and this stuff seems to work just as good, if not maybe a little better. I highly recommend. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick some of the stuff up. I'll let you guys know that I'm not being paid by SuperClean. They just sent me the product for me to try out and give my honest opinion, and I think it's actually pretty good stuff. I mean, proof is in the pudding. This thing's been sitting for 15 years. It's got grease and stuff that's been sitting caked on there forever. Oil, everything else all over the engine. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but it is pretty clean. Even the final drives back here. Got the final drives all cleaned. It is looking nice. Well, I think this bulldozer cleans up pretty good for sitting around for the last 15 years. Hopefully we can address this oil leak. We're going to do that in a future video. Obviously it has something to do with the drive, so